Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how to ship hard goods, which is basically like anything other than clothes or shoes or electronics that are like weird object shapes. Let's get into it. All right, so Bree in La La Land, it's Bree _in_ La La Land, sent me a message at my request on Instagram stories. I was asking people what they want to learn about in my YouTube videos. She sent me a request and said, definitely shipping hard goods, AKA this Xbox controller, guitar controller I sold. So she sold an Xbox guitar controller. I happen to have one of these. Here it is. This is not Xbox, this is Wii, but they both are the same thing. So I'm going to teach you today how to ship hard goods that are weird shapes with USPS. This is going to be sort of like just a quick tutorial. You'll have to like refine it as you go along. When I first started shipping weird shaped objects in the mail, things were it took me a long time to sort everything out and get everything sized correctly and so on and so forth. We'll figure it out. Some other things that sort of qualify for this are weirdly shaped, like big bulky items, like this Callaway golf bag, or this. You know, this could be well, this is a cue. It's a pull cue, but it could be anything. It could be a tripod or a monopod. It could be I don't know. It could be an Xbox controller. So what I do first with these controllers is on the back right here. Let me zoom. Okay, on the back there's this little I don't know what you call it. This little lever that you pull down and the neck slides out. This is on like the newish controllers. The originals did not have this. So check your guitar controller first. Once again, it's in, pull the lever, it's out. Cool. We want to assume that Bree, I hope it's Bree, that her guitar does this. I'm almost positive it does because I saw a picture of it when she posted it on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following her, her Instagram handle is linked below in the description, as is everything that I use here in this video. So go down there and give her a follow, see what she's selling and see how she's doing. The next thing you're gonna need for this is boxes. This is the 1095 priority box with USPS. They're free. You can get them on their website, which is also linked below, where you can go and get them for free. They're free to purchase. I guess you're not purchasing it if it's free. And then the shipping is free, so they will ship it to your home. And I kind of went buck wild with it one time. The last time I ordered I think like 10 cases of 25 for shoe boxes, because I sell a lot of shoes. I'm starting to. And so yeah, they delivered 250 shoe boxes to my house. That was pretty cool, along with all the other boxes. I use the 1095 and the shoe box the most. Here's a word of caution. The box must say mailing box on it, right there. See how it says mailing box? It's got to say mailing box. If you use a priority box that is flat rate, you cannot modify the box. It has to be just a mailing box. I think the express boxes you can't modify either, but don't quote me on that. I've never dealt with the express boxes. If you do know the answer to that, whether you can modify the express boxes, drop it down below so everyone else can feed on that value. Thank you. So what we're doing is we're using 2 of these 1095 boxes. I have the base, which is going to be the bottom here. So what I do, generally I will bubble wrap this. I'm not doing that for this example because that is too much time. And so you drop it in, boom. It'll be bubble wrapped. You'll have tissue paper in here. You're going to protect it. You're going to drop this in. As you see, this sticks out above the top here. Boom. That's no bueno. So what we're gonna do is we are going to measure this off and cut the extra box to make like a cap that we will tape on and then ship. So the reason I haven't made the cap yet is because I want to explain that if this were a guitar where the neck did not detach, then it would be like this tall. You would use this whole other box to just slip over, and your shipping costs would go up just slightly, I think, because the inch diameter dimensions, right, the inch dimensions is different. However, because this is just like a couple inches above, then we are just gonna make like a small cap for it. So what I do is I basically measure, I start my measurement at like the bottom of the flap, right? Because the flap is gonna close. So I'll measure it and like, I just eyeball it. I don't do anything extravagant or crazy. Sorry, I have to keep refocusing this. I don't have like a cool camera that has the correct autofocus feature, so I have to manually focus it. X-Acto knife, link below. It'll be an affiliate link. It's not an X-Acto, a box cutter. There we go. Link below. So yeah, just cut the box where you kind of eyeballed where it's gonna be. It's not rocket science. Close your box cutter so your kids don't die. Close the box up. These boxes, the 1095s and I think it's all the 10 series, have the removable. Yeah, cool. So it's done. I just slip it over the top, hope for the best. Hey, look at that, it fits. Cool. Tape it. Tape it. Make sure that, like I said, make sure that you use the bubble wrap tissue paper so that it's not like jangling around. But that's all you're gonna do is just put this on. I normally, when I tape, because I want to make extra sure, I will start from like this side, go all the way around to this side. So that way it's like taped on that way, and then I go around the front, the back, the sides. So then it's taped on that way. So it's that way, and it's not coming undone. Yeah, so after that, weigh it, measure it, ship it. Easy. The same thing goes for these things. You're just gonna use a different size box. You can use the large, I think it's the 07, the 07 box with USPS. That's a 12 by 12 by 8 box. You would need, you'd need 4 of those. However, the shipping is much more expensive because of the inch dimensions than if you went to Walmart and bought the 12 by 12 by 10 and then shipped it parcel select, I think brown select parcel, I don't know. If you use the brown non-priority shipping, it's half the price. I paid $22 shipping my last golf bag with parcel select shipping using brown Walmart shipping boxes. It would have been like $45 had I used the priority large boxes all stacked like that. I don't know why. And then for this pull cue, when I do sell it, I just listed this today, but when I do sell it, I will use this 1095 box because it fits like real snug in there. And then the same thing, you can see how I would need to leave just a little bit more of that box on there, maybe the full box, to put that in. Obviously, once again, bubble wrapping and tissue papering the mess out of it, because broken products are a headache. Yeah. And then remember, if you're selling something over 50 bucks on priority, add your insurance to it. I think like 50 bucks of additional insurance beyond the 50 is like $4 or something. Get the extra insurance, because if your item breaks and you have to refund them, once you get the product back, you can take it down to USPS and they will give you that money back. So then you have your product and you have your payment. You have a broken product, but you have your payment as well. That is it. I hope this has been an informative video. Uncut, as promised. If you have any questions, I think my Instagram, just DM me on Instagram. Whoever sends in a question, I will make a video specifically about that topic, and I will plug there Instagram handle so that maybe they'll get some followers. So in this case, Bree_in_la_land, and I just sold something. I sold a pair of Jordan Jumpman Pro Quick Gray men's sneakers. What are these? Oh yeah, these are sweet. I sold them. I paid $5 for them, and I sold them for $49 plus $11.75 for shipping. So that's freaking rad right there. I don't know if you can see that if it's too bright. Whatever. Sweet. 10 times my money. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I wasn't like all over the place too much. Subscribe, like if you haven't already. More content is coming. I've had a ton of people message me, and so a ton of people have given me ideas for things that they need instruction on. YouTube videos coming down the pipeline. Take care and see you on the next video.